Hello and welcome to today's broadcast of the Real Estate Show. I'm your host. My name is Ikenna. Super excited to come your way again today as we talk about real estate. Are you investing in real estate? Are you thinking about real estate? Do you want to join real estate? You want to start earning extra income in real estate? Come to me, man. Come to me, lady, and I will guide you properly because I'm the pro. Doing this for years, helped hundreds of people acquire real estate in Nigeria, across Nigeria. Thousands of people have helped to start their own real estate business. And I want to help you if you give me the opportunity. Welcome to the broadcast once again. We are talking about the 20 ways to profitable property investment in Nigeria. It's a book I wrote, 20 ways to profitable property investment in Nigeria. We're taking them step by step. Today we are discussing number 3, which is future development properties. Some people buy properties, land especially, not because they want to build on it now, not because they want to build on it at all, but because they want to keep it for future development. That's what it means. So what that means, for them to maximize value and profitability on that piece of land, it has to be somewhere in the suburbs of the major city. Now the suburb means the fringes of the city. Now the implication of that is that location may not be developed today. It needn't be developed today because the investment objective is for future development. So you are buying the land because you want to develop it in the future, or maybe you want to resell it in future. So what that means, you get it very affordable, comparatively affordable. Okay, you may leave it for a couple of years, depending on how long you want to wait. But the point is that the longer you wait, the more value or capital appreciation there will be for that land. Okay, so a lot of people put some money aside for land investment because they want to keep it for the future. And now you must be thinking that way. Land appreciation in Nigeria is unbelievable. And I'm surprised a lot of people are not taking advantage of that opportunity. Okay, if you are watching me now, you have some few hundreds of thousands, a couple of millions in your bank account doing nothing. You need to talk to me so I can show you how you can invest it in real estate. Okay, you can put it in real estate. After 12 months you take your money back plus certain percentage agreed with you. How many of us saw the news about CBN likely to bring down the savings interest rate to about 1.5 something percent? So the money in your bank is going to get interest, the CBN is saying, of about 1.58% or somewhere around there. So why do you keep the money in the bank when they are telling you they're going to give you just 1.5%, whereas real estate can give up to 25% in 1 year? I mean, you think about it yourself. Do you want to keep the money so that it grows by 1.5%, or do you want to put it in real estate investments that grows by 25% in a year? You take the decision, man. Take the decision. Now the sad thing is that although your money in the bank get an interest rate of about less than 2%, how about the inflation rate? Have you thought about the inflation rate? The inflation rate is 12.85% today in Nigeria. What that means, if you keep your money in the bank, after 1 year, let's say between last year and this year, September, your money have lost value by 12.85%. It's unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Okay, so the savings interest rate is 1.58% or thereabout, but the inflation is 12.85%, wiping away whatever merge interest you are going to get. Meanwhile, in real estate, we're talking about 25% in 1 year. Come on, man. You do the right thing. Now, I tell people, I tell my students, I tell my clients, Keep a savings for emergency for your house. Somebody falls sick, something happens, you need some money to address it. An emergency fund. It's up to you to decide what the emergency fund will be in terms of the value. Keep a fund, some money, could be in your bank, no problem. Okay, for family operations, family upkeep. You know the size of your family, you know what your upkeep usually is in a month. Keep money for it. The rest should go into investments. Like I said yesterday, amass the fund in savings and move it into an investment. That's the right thing to do. If you are watching me, if you know somebody that will benefit from this, don't keep your money in the bank. It's losing value through inflation. And they are giving you interest rate. It used to be about 3%, and they are bringing it down to 1.58 or thereabout percentage. When the real estate can do you good for 25%. Now check that thing out now. So those of you that have 5 million, 10 million, 3 million, 2 million, you can't keep that kind of money in savings. You need to invest it. And when I say investment, I'm not saying you should go and start Uber or start going to farming. Why? Not because they are bad investment, but because the variables are just too much. You need a control in your investments. If there's too many things outside your control in investment, then that investment, that's why I call it risky. Policy, I know a few guys that signed up hire purchase cars, bikes, December last year, to hit the transport business big. And by January, there was a new policy by the government, and they are running into trouble. Go Kada, you can name them. All right. Farming is just too, unless you're a professional farmer, well, good luck to you. But if you have your 9 to 5, you're doing some other business, who is going to look after that farm for you? Who's going to make sure the crops are doing well, the livestock are doing well? There are too many all over the place. But if you put your money in real estate, man, I can assure you your money is safe. Not in shares, though. Land where you can go and see. You can take your wife and your children or your husband and children and say, this is the land. Man, I don't know if you can see your shares. Can you take me to where your shares are? But I can take you to where your land. And you tell me, what if I'm ready to sell and I need the money? How can I get the money? What if I don't get a buyer when I want to resell my land? Look, there is a product called land trading real estate, where you can buy land because you want to sell it after 12 months. You buy the land today, we will help you sell your land within 12 months, and you get your money back. You get your money back and profit. There is a land investment now we call land trading or buy to sell. You put your money in the land investment. After 12 months, you take your money out plus profits. 20%, 22%, 25% after 12 months. So you decide, I believe you're a wise person watching me. You decide, do you want to leave your money in some savings that you will give you 1.58% interest, and then inflation 12.85 is destroying your money in the savings? Or do you want to put the money in real estate so that after 12 months you can take the money back plus profit of 20%, 22.5%, 25%? You decide which one is better for you. All right. But today in the broadcast, we are talking about future investment properties. Land that you buy today because you are looking at the future. The location has to be strategic, such that in the shortest possible future, the value of the land appreciates. Let's say you bought the land for 1 million today, 2020. By 2022, that land they're selling it for 3.5. That is value appreciation. Or they're selling it for, even if it's 2 million. then you can sell the land and use your money. Or you buy to build in future. You buy the land. How many of you know that the cost of the land is about 50 to 60% the value of the house? House is a liability. The land is what is assets. Because house depreciate, but land appreciate. That's a story for another day. I will thank you for watching, making it a very short one. How you can get your money right in real estate. Talk to us. We run the show. We know where to go. We know where the land are. We are skilled. We know how to go about it. Just as you are a professional lawyer, a professional doctor, an engineer, an IT expert, there are people that are real estate experts like us. And our job is to keep your money right for you. I beg, have a wonderful day. Bye.